Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the 503 server error in Canva quickly and easily. A 503 error usually means Canva's servers are temporarily overloaded or under maintenance, so it is often not caused by your device. First, refresh the page or close the app completely and reopen it. Sometimes the error is temporary and disappears after a simple reload. Next, check your internet connection, because unstable or slow internet can also trigger loading failures. You should also try switching your network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. After that, clear your browser cache or Canva app cache to remove any corrupted temporary files that may block access to the site. If you are using a browser, try opening Canva in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, because different browsers handle server requests differently. Another important step is disabling VPNs or proxy connections, because they can interfere with Canva's servers. Finally, if nothing works, wait a few minutes, because a 503 error often happens during server maintenance and usually gets fixed automatically without any action needed from your side. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.